So we finished the cuffs. So next up, preparing the cuffs and the waistband. So next up is the hoodie. Now this, or the hood, this hoodie gets a double hoodie or a double hood. So I'm going to overlock the outer edges now, and then this one that will be on the outside gets a top stitch. Maybe I'll give a top stitch to the inside as well, and then we will finalize, put both of the hoods together. So I'm using the overlocker for this, and then just make sure that I top stitch the right side. But everything is fine here. I don't see anything weird here. Because we're going to do buttonholes for the strings for this hoodie. So I like this overlocker. You can just turn the textile, and then on this feet plate here, and then everything works perfectly. So this is now the outside of the hoodie. I do the top stitch my ear for this seam because it makes the hoodie looks nice, or the hood looks nicely rounded off. Let's put the black one in. This is now the inside, the part that goes on the inside. So yeah, so if you don't do any top stitching, you can sort of do these hoodies very fast. They go quick. So this is the inside. This will just be a short video, I think, because so now what we're going to do is I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to do a top stitch there on the inside. And the reason why I do that also is because the hood sits better. But we'll make a second video of the top stitch, and then so there's going to be about 3 short videos on this one. So this is the outside now, and what we want is we want the hood basically to look like this when we finished. So you will have a clean seam here on the outside, and then a nice clean seam on the inside of the hood. So if this is the hood now, so I'll do the top stitch, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come back, and I'm going to close this part here, and then we will do I'm going to close this part here, and then we'll do the buttonhole for this hood. Okay, so but this, I think this looks good. Now I'm just going to do the top stitch. I'll make a separate video in the next one, and then we'll finish this quickly. Okay.